Congratulations again. Wait, that's it? Oh actually. For a second there I thought you were just going to trust us with a baby. You see we have no idea what we're do. Car seat, check. Okay, bye. Ah crap. Hey, you're right. Thanks for tanking for us tonight. We already down at the ad, but you'll need to kite the boss for a bit. He dinged recently, so watch out for his new dots and that enraged timer. If you catch aggro, just CC him with the iPad until he runs out of mana. If you get repops, spam the passy on cooldown. I hope you're rocking some poop resist gear, because you do not want a wipe on your hands. Wait, what? You dare enter my realm? You are not prepared. The kids are finally asleep. Time to set the mood. I've been looking forward to this all day. Arg. Shoot it, heal up. I'm out of green herbs. Baby shark doo doo, doo 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 doo. Baby shark. Enough. If I ever see a baby shark, I'm going to kick it in its stupid baby teeth. Run away, doo doo, doo 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 doo. Oh, the song? Believe me, we hate it way more than you. The first rule of cat reaping is to wait in the shadows. Now, Papa? Not yet. You have 6 lives left. But I wanted to reap him. Patience. A cat reaper's greatest. Hannah, did you just reap that mouse? What mouse? Mama, may I have some food? Let me get you a plate. Oh, don't trouble yourself. Who wants dessert? I'm not eating that. Put that under your pillow and the tooth fairy will leave you money. Tooth fairy, Papa? You've ruined me. Baby shark doo doo. Damn it. Surprise. I made you a castle. Let your imagination run wild. Knights, princesses, dragons. You can be anything you want to. Do anything you dream. Sorry, the McFlurry machine is broken. Seriously? They forgot the fries. I'm going back. Mom, why doesn't Daniel Tiger wear pants? I guess Mrs. Tiger lost the battle to get him dressed. I can relate. Captain's log. Starred at 204,566. We barely survived our last encounter. Life support on critical. Continuing to our mission in the Gamma. What the? Ray shields. Oh, absolutely not. I'll let the Millennium Falcon slide, but Enterprise is not getting owned by the Paw Patrol. We surrender. What do you want from us? Cookies. What's childbirth actually like? Imagine the biggest, most momentous moment in your life. I was going to say poo, but that other stuff too, I guess. There's actual poo too. But why can't I see my eyes? No more questions. Gotta get to sleep, or the Boogeyman will get you. Night night. How does the wind blow? What's a virgin? Who built the universe? I quit. Did you know that M&Ms are all different species? Wah wah. Wah wah. What's that? It sounds familiar. Look mommy, we found all the lost toys in a cupboard. Shoes. Okay, I'll get your shoes if you'll just stop crying. Here you go. Yay, ready to go. Oh, where are you going, cutie pie? Going to hit you. Hee hee hee. Shoes. I heard a noise downstairs. Do you have any idea how much trouble you're in? Go to bed. Yes sir. Unbelievable. That was a baller move. He's so cool. I would have never had the stones to do that. Oh honey, formula, don't you want him to do well in school? You know, when I first met you, I really didn't like you. I thought there was going to be another half to that sentence. Nope. Oh ladies, breastfeeding, formula, don't you want them to do well in school? Time to pick up your toys. No. I fell over. Why does it hurt so much? Because karma, baby, karma.